Hey, buddy. I see you. He's looking at me. Come here. Come here.
Oh! Go right out. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, he made a mark on the wall.
Whoa.
Take it. He's just hopping around.
He likes to hear Mr. Key's gonna eat my bagel.
No! We gotta just put him outside, babe.
Yeah, we gotta let him out.
Come on, dude. I'll open the door for you. Come on.
I think his leg's broken.
I don't think so.
But that's not what a hop.
Yeah, that doesn't look normal either. But he's hopping around.
Hey, we have to get him to see a vet. That's not normal.
He's without. I think he's fine.
No, that's not fine.
Look, but he's hopping around. Where did I see him hopping around?
Oh, okay.
Oh, he did it!